Morning everyone. Here I am again in my beautiful Sarasota Bay. Yesterday was unbelievable good day in fishing, so I decided to come out for like a few hours today and see if it's gonna be the same way. Well, I'm gonna give a little shot early. This is 6 in the morning. I'm already in the water. I'm looking for the baits where they are right now, and I can stick around till the late daylight. And we go from there. I don't know, you must be hearing on the camera too. Just a little rain right now, so but overall, let's see what we're gonna do. Have a wonderful week Sunday today. So have a nice Sunday, guys. Yeah, it's raining, but it's so gorgeous. Gonna come out over there. So it's just passing cloud. It's small clouds. It's gonna take probably 5 minutes and it will be gone. Alright guys, ciao. A lot of bait right now here. First fish, I don't know exactly what it is. Can be a catfish, feel like it, but let's see. It's a nice big fish. Oh. Yeah, it can be. I won't be surprised with a catfish. Nice. No, it's a huge Spanish mackerel. Spanish. Well, today no keeping. He's gonna go back. Yeah, he doesn't want to give up. I was trolling and I got a monster Spanish. That's a 30-inch Spanish. See you later, alligator. Got another fish. Looks like a trout. Yeah, nice trout. Oh no, mangrove. Mangrove snapper. Look at the size. They're all keeper. But nope. I'm not keeping them today. I'm just here for catch and release today. So they are lucky. Beautiful keeper mangrove. Bye bye. Well, if I was him, I wouldn't like me either. Oh, there it is. Wow, nice one. All right. Wow, nice one. Beautiful trout. Healthy trout. Alright. I gotta oil with my wheel. I didn't oil it for like 2 months. Need a little oil. There he is. I told you. I know where they were. Nice trout. Beautiful trouts. And this is what I'm scared of. They are so aggressive. Thank God. You see, that's why another thing you gotta do it. You gotta wear a gloves, especially with triple hooks like this, because if I didn't wear the gloves, probably now that hook was in my finger. Yeah. All right, nice trout. Bye bye. Right around here. On the trolling. Nice mangrove. Beautiful, another keeper mangrove. I couldn't probably do whole. I have a grand slam already. I got Spanish mackerel. I got mango snapper and trout. Beautiful keeper. Alright, but you're going back anyway. Bye-bye. Dude! What is wrong? I don't know. It's a big fish. It can be catfish too. But I mean, it is a big, nice fish. Can be catfish. I don't know. Yeah. Oh no. It's a trout. It's a huge trout. Wow. I'm telling you. Look at this baby. Yee-hoo. That's what I'm talking about. He couldn't go nowhere. Look at this. It's like 18 inch. Right, baby? Got it. Bye-bye. Wow. Whoa! Oh, I was bringing it in like a rapidly and bang. Nice fish too. I think it's a mangrove. Nice mangrove. Woo. Would be that will be my third mangrove snapper keeper tonight, and one Spanish mackerel. Look at the size. The size are beautiful. Bye bye. Wow. I mean, lots of big fish, that's for sure. Nice fish. Healthy fish. There he is. Oh, he let go. Whoa! Couple of times. Ah. Oh, he's following. He's following. Oh my God. Did you see that? Oh man. And that follow. There he is. It was following constantly. Grouper. Look at the color. What? Gorgeous grouper. Man, it's getting dark over there. Anyway, right now I'm here, so man, it's crazy. They're following. I can see they're following. Oh, nice foul too. All right. Bye-bye. He's gone. Wow. Right here. Not too far. So, let's see. There he is. Wow. Nice one. Nice trout. Nice trout. Gorgeous trout. I'm gonna back up because I know exactly where hot over there. I got a hit already. Come on. Get my bait. There he, oh, he let go. Come back. Yeah, come back. Oh, you got. Oh my God. It's insane. I have no words. You know, it just, this is why I keep coming.